Honorable teacher and fellow batchmate, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Good to so many people in my talk. How are you doing? I'm fine. Firstly of all, I'm ever grateful to Almighty Allah who has allowed me to say something about my daily routine. Secondly, I'm indeed too grateful Mr. Sojib sir who has helped me to come here to deliver my topic before you. Actually, I am a not good speaker like you. Now, I am going to describe about my daily routine. Well, a daily routine is an account of time spent in a day. As a student, I have also a daily routine to follow. I usually get up at 8 o'clock in the morning. After brush and wash, I walk to an open field, neighborhood space up and down for several times and practice some physical exercise. Back home, I have my breakfast, read till 10 am at the reading table. My first job is read up what I read at the last night. Then I revise my home tasks. Then the clock strikes 10:30 for me to take my bath. After that, I dress and do have my lunch, go out for school, and drop in the class at 11:30. Our school works till 4:30 p.m. At the school, I always attentive to my teacher. If any difficult, I get it explained clearly in the off period. I spend most of the time in library. I reading books on different subject. After school, I back home and take my tiffin. Then I go to playground to play with my friends. Getting back, I take a through wash. After which I sit on my lesson for the next day. Usually I sit with TV at 10:30. I normally go to sleep at 11 p.m. This is what I call my daily routine tour weekdays. On holidays I enjoy with family outing. Thank you.